In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations, so you can present your designs smoothly inside Microsoft PowerPoint without losing that dynamic animated feel. If you've ever created a beautiful animated presentation in Canva and wondered how to bring it into PowerPoint while keeping the motion effects, this step-by-step guide is for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Canva design. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Open the presentation that contains the animations you want to export. Before moving forward, quickly preview your presentation inside Canva to make sure all animations and transitions are working exactly how you want them. Once you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This will open the Sharing Options panel. From the Share menu, click on Download. By default, Canva might suggest downloading as PDF Standard. If you see PDF Standard selected, click on the File Type drop-down menu to change it. Now, this is the important part. To preserve animations, you cannot download as a PDF or static PowerPoint file. Instead, choose MP4 Video as the file type. Selecting MP4 ensures that all animations, transitions, and movement effects are preserved exactly as they appear in Canva. After selecting MP4 Video, review your page selection if needed, then click on Download. Canva will process your design and export it as a video file. Depending on the length and complexity of your presentation, this may take a few moments. Once the video is downloaded to your computer, we're going to move into PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and either open an existing presentation or create a new blank one. In the slide panel on the left, right-click and choose New Slide to insert a fresh slide where your animated Canva content will appear. With the new slide selected, go to the top menu and click on Insert. In the Insert tab, click on Video, then choose this device. Browse your computer and locate the MP4 file you just downloaded from Canva. Select the video file and click Insert. Your Canva presentation will now appear as a video embedded inside your PowerPoint slide. Resize the video so it fits perfectly within the slide boundaries. You can drag the corners to scale it proportionally. Next, click on the video to select it. Go to the Animations tab in PowerPoint. Here, set the Animation Start option to After Previous. This ensures that when you start your slideshow, the video will automatically begin playing without you having to click. Now, with the video still selected, look at the video format options. Click on the Outline or Border option, then choose No Outline. This removes any visible border around the video, so it looks clean and fully integrated into your slide. To test everything, go to the Slideshow tab at the top. Click on From Beginning. Your slideshow will start, and the Canva animation should automatically play as a video inside PowerPoint, preserving all the motion effects you created. And that's it. That's how you export Canva to PowerPoint with animations, while keeping everything smooth and professional. Just remember, the key step is exporting as an MP4 video instead of a static file format. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.